Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming you can sign into the Gmail account and that two-step verification is handled. This avoids interruptions. Once signed in, open Google Takeout to select data, pick Mail as Mbox and Contacts, /Calendar as JSON or ICS. Make sure to choose a destination now, either download to a local folder or push to a cloud storage provider. This first move sets your export scope and storage plan, so take a minute to verify file format and destination before creating the archive. Next, refine what you export. Pick specific labels or whole mailbox and set date ranges to reduce size. Once done, choose file size limits. 2 GB versus 50 GB will determine chunking and download ease. Then select delivery method, a direct download link or automatic deposit into Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive for safer transfer. Make sure to schedule a one-time export or recurring exports for ongoing backups. This step controls how manageable and repeatable your backups will be, so configure carefully. Finish by downloading the generated archives and verifying integrity. Open an Mbox with Thunderbird or import JSON/ICS into a Contacts/Calendar app to confirm data. Once verified, store a second copy in a different location for redundancy. If something goes wrong, a common fix is clearing browser cache, retrying with another browser, or temporarily disabling extensions. Also confirm there's enough destination storage and that two-step verification or app passwords aren't blocking the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.